U otom thar unong penya jong ka sportif ulayo ban perlong ya ka maulendong ron safari menin kasni haka khat nyu tarik unailar lengba ka jing perlong ru ya ka jing mare marathon hapo ka ni ka snong ka balayo ka jing itu kum ka we na ki jaka jong kai prathai ka ba itanatam ya ka ni ka jing mare la phia akilai tli ki benta kata ka de arpuwe pon iwe kilometer khat ar kilometer bat san kilometer ya ka ni ka jing mare layo i bala khot la weru ya ki nong ya kan ke jimare layo i bala khot la weru ya baro kinong snong jong kari India kan thu ru kum kadak ke jing snok tilang lembat kari Bangladesh kumta layo iru babun naki kari thor napo kari Bangladesh tilayo ban simbentalang hakan ke jing ya mare ya kinong job la phiaru hakibun bun teliki benta kata kalong kibakna du batamendu bat la ka jongki kentai bat la ka jongki sinrang ada pisisha khong sam na po kathan penusla ka basong basa ru hapo nong tungur kalayo ban khuri ka nam kum kanong job ka bawan neng kong na kalyang ki kentai kada pisisha khong sam ka bom juda khamsa din haman badon ki marathon la shabar ka jela la ne hapo ka jela kalau ong ru baka kamare ka de shisha kata ka dawai ba ban la eki om tang ha kanu ka kem nri ban mare ka bomut ban be sepersha jong ka thong ha ka jing im la ne ha ka jing ko jing khia.
And please come back, please come. So what is the learning point? What is the USP? What is this? One person this and one person this. So take a lesson. I would like you to please open. I'd like to request all the people of the village as well. See, 74-year-old, she has run 21 kilometers and one person from Calcutta with one leg has come to take part in 12 kilometers. So it was not easy. Next time, Peninsula Division, ma'am is asking all of you. It will be a 1,000 people participation. At least Maulong village should take them. For everybody. At least 300 people should take part. If they can, why not you can? So this is the case. Okay. Thank you. And now thank you. Give me your heart.
The youngest guy.
Sir, tell me. Okay. Just. Let's continue.
আসি তুই মুখ
এখন তুই রানিং দিয়ে খালি যে
ট্রফি তো ভেতরে দেবে তো
Hello, Philemon. I'm in the station.
এই আবার মাইন্ডসেট আপ করব আমরা আমরা বেশি দেব
Please come.
42 যেন 42 যেন 100 দিই ঠিক আছে তোমার মাঝে লই মাইন্ডসেট
আটা তো সিনিয়র পাস দিচ্ছে ঠিক আছে এই যে এটা হলো এটা কি হলো
না 2100 পৌঁছাইছে
ও যে পিচ্ছি যে this one please come ma'am please come this is the example for you this one and the special award, the youngest son award for the little kid by madam.